finally I'm going to remove the last wheel. It's kind of dark here, so I'll try my best. I put some light and I watched some videos, and from the experts, they said we need one of those wrenches, one of these things. This is size 19 and it barely fits in here. So what they do is they hammer, right? It's kind of weird. This is the getaway, but I can feel that this is getting in there. And awesome, this doesn't fit there. This does. And please don't do this to anyone's car. No, it's not quite there yet. And just have the consent to do this, and let's see what happens. Okay, it won't be easy, so I'm gonna put this here. Not sure if I'm gonna break something, but I like that key. But oh yes. Oh crap. Okay. And oh dude, this is working. What? Oh, it didn't quite work. Oh man. Okay, now I did it. Ooh, now it's tight. Okay, let's use some brute force. Go slow. Oh, it is moving. I hope the thing is coming off. Oh man, I think it is. This is magic. So this is how you remove a lug nut which has the I don't know how it's called, safety, secure. Well, I'll put a screw in there. So sad, I just bought this tool. It was so pretty, and it got a little damaged. Wow, I am impressed. So now I'm gonna remove this baby out of here and put my last wheel in there, which will look like this. And it's kind of nice. And I got these lug nuts. They are bluish. Well, they're completely blue, not bluish. And that's it. I want to show how to remove a lug nut with a lock without the tool, and don't do it to someone else's car that's not yours later.
You can do it, and you will get there. You can do it.